Good morning, students. Let's start with today's Google Classroom. So today's Google Classroom, it is about the paper name, that is organic chemistry, and the paper number is the 7. And the name of the chapter we are to discuss today is, that is unit number 4, carboxylic acids. In today's Google Classroom, we start with a new chapter, unit number 4, that is carboxylic acid. And the topic we are to discuss today is, that is introduction. In today's Google Classroom, we are studying about the introduction of the carboxylic acids. What are the carboxylic acids? Which type of the functional group is present in the carboxylic acids? Which elements are present in the carboxylic acids? What are the natural sources of the carboxylic acids? Then shortly, how the carboxylic acids are named by using the IUPAC nomenclature system. So let's see the point one by one. What are the carboxylic acids? So see, this is a structure of the carboxylic acid. Before to explain about the structure of the carboxylic acid, we see what are the definition or the theoretical part of these carboxylic acids. The carboxylic acid is an organic acid that contains carboxylic group attached to an alkyl group or the R group. The general formula of the carboxylic acid is R. It is attached with carboxyl group, with R referring to an alkyl, alkenyl, aryl, or it may be the other groups. So these carboxylic acids occurs widely, and the important examples are the amino acids and the fatty acids. So these are present in the nature in abundant amount. So first see which is the functional group is present in the carboxylic acid is, and the name of the functional group is carboxyl group. And this carboxyl group, it contains COOH. That is, there is a presence of the 2 oxygen atoms, 1 hydrogen atom. So it is divided into the 2 groups. That is, one is carbonyl group and one is hydroxyl group. So these 2 groups are attached with each other, and there is a form one functional group, that is carboxylic group or the carboxyl group. Carbon, it is attached with oxygen with the double bond, and OH group is attached to the carbonyl carbon. So there is formation of the carboxylic group takes place. And this carboxyl group or the carboxylic group is attached with the group that is R. R, it may be the alkyl group, it may be the alkenyl group, it may be the aryl group, or it may be the other groups. So there are so many groups are attached with the carboxyl groups also. So simply the structure of this carboxylic group or the general formula of this carboxylic acid is RCOOH. There is presence of 2 oxygen atoms, so 1 carbon and the 1 hydrogen atom in carboxyl group, and this functional group is attached with the alkyl groups. So it is a general formula. Then how these carboxylic acids are the carboxylic acids are the name according to IUPAC nomenclatures. So for the every IUPAC nomenclature, we have decided some rules, or there are some rules. By using these rules, so we can give IUPAC names to our organic compounds. So we see these general rules. Choose the longest carbon chain which contains carboxylic group. If double bonds or triple bonds exist, they should be included in to the chain. So it is the first group, that is the longest chain rule. Select the longest chain in our organic compound which contain the carboxylic functional group, and if it contains double or the triple bond, then double and triple bond also gives the numbers. Then number 2, give the number 1 to the carboxylic acid carbon atom and the number the carbon atom chain. So before to start with the numbering, so the carbonyl carbon atom chain or the carboxyl carbon atom chain, it is given as a number 1, and then start the numbering to the longest chain. The name and the third rule, there is the name of the carboxylic acid should be end with oic acid, and there should be the space between oic and acid. No need to write the number 1 in front of the oic acid or the suffix. So that is end, it is related with the oic. E is replaced with oic. So they have given the example that is it is a butane 1 oic acid. So there is no need to write the number 1 because every carboxylic acid it gives a number 1. So write directly butanoic and there is space between the acid. And the other rule is other substitution groups branch chains can be named using the general IPC nomenclature rule. So other substituted groups or the chain are the named according to the other rules. So we see the examples. So it is the first example. So it is the first example that so this carbonyl group is attached with first, second, third, fourth. So it is a 4 carbon atom chain. So it is a 4 carbon atom chain. This carbonyl carbon atom it gives a number 1. If and this CH3 it is a substituent, it is attached with third carbon atom. If the longest chain is 4 carbon atom, so this alkane become butane. Corresponding alkane become butane. So this E it is replaced with OIC and substituent has written in front of this butane. So the name of the this carboxylic acid it becomes 3-methyl butanoic acid. Next example, that is it contains 2 carbon atom chain. So corresponding alkane is ethane. E is replaced with oic acid and name is become with ethanoic acid. So third example, it contains 4 carbon atom chain, but there is presence of the carbon-carbon double bond. So it is butane to en oic acid. Then fourth example, there is a presence of the 5 carbon atom longest chain. So corresponding alkane is pentane. So it is E replaced with oic acid, but this chlorine is substituent and the number is written as 4-chloro to pentane oic acids. So these are the 4 examples for the IUPAC nomenclatures of the carboxylic acids.